Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create repeat patterns on paper without cutting and folding. Before we start, let's prepare the necessary tools for this tutorial. We'll need a light board to sheets of paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a metal ruler. First, connect the light board to the power source. Then take two sheets of paper. Label the first paper pattern tile repeat. Label the second paper transfer pattern. On the pattern tile repeat paper, draw a line with a measurement of 8. Starting from 1 to 9, label this line as the width. Next, draw another line with the same measurement of 8 and label it as the length. This will create a small square. Then place the transfer pattern paper on top of the pattern tile repeat paper and turn on the light board to help us redraw the square. Draw the small square for more times to create a larger square measuring 16 x 16. This is called a block repeat. If you're unsure what a block repeat is, I've written a blog post about the types of repeat patterns. The link is in the description box below. After that, redraw the same shape on the pattern tile repeat paper. This will be used as a template to create a seamless repeat pattern. Next, we'll need a mood board to guide us on what motif to draw, the style and color palette. Now, let's start drawing the first motif on the first paper. Feel free to create any motif, but make sure to start drawing in the center of the square. Then draw the same motif on the second paper. This will make it easier to repeat the motif on the other 3 squares. After finishing the first motif, draw a second motif, making sure to create different shapes like leaves, buds, branches, and flowers. This will add variety to your pattern. Repeat the same process throughout this tutorial, drawing new motifs on the first paper and transferring them to the second paper. I understand it might be confusing at first, but trust me, with practice, you'll master this technique. I love this method because it helps me visualize the final pattern without using digital tools. Here, you can see the first motif overlapping with the second motif. So you can adjust and erase the unnecessary parts to create a balanced pattern. Continue drawing new motifs until you have a full repeat pattern. Repeat the process until you're satisfied with the result. Finally, after creating the final pattern, I'll show you how to create a pattern swatch from the full repeat pattern. Use the same measurements as before to create a small square containing all the motifs. This pattern swatch will be used to create an endless seamless repeat pattern in any digital software. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. In the next video, I'll show you how to digitize this pattern swatch in Procreate. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more surface design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.